Yo, 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 what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, hey man, stick around. Look, we got a really crazy video for you today. It's the Cookup. So we'll be cooking a crazy track from start to finish, and you guys get to watch. And we're going to record it all in our free Pro Tools template that's available down below. So look, man, if you don't have a template, you got to pick this thing up. It's going to completely change the way that you record your music, the way you produce, the way you mix your songs, and it's completely free. So check it out down below, pick that up, and stay tuned, man. We're about to make a diamond. Let's get it.
I know I said I know I said that I'd be out the game, but here it goes again. Oh, I said that I'd be out the game, but here it goes again. Here it goes again. And lately I've been seeing all the signs.
Smooth it out.
Lately I've been seeing all the signs.
There it is.
Goes again. Lately I've been seeing all the signs.
I like that one. Give me one more.
Alright. Can you play it from the top though? And I'll punch in.
Oh, I said that I'd be out the game, but here it goes again. 'Cause I've been seeing signs. And lately I've been seeing all the signs. Lately I've been seeing all the signs.
Alright.
I know I said that I'd be out the game, but here it goes again.
Give me that lately one more time.
Lately I've been out the game, but here it goes again. And lately I've been seeing all the signs.
That's the one.
And lately I've been seeing all the signs. So I had to make your mind. Make your mind. So I had to take that chance. Yeah, I had to make you mine, to make you mine. So I had to take that chance, loving you again. Chance to love you till you die. You got me saying to myself, I don't want you and nobody else.
Yeah, that's all. Let's do it again.
You got me saying, you got me saying, to love you till you die. You got me saying to myself, you got me saying to myself, you got me saying to myself, I don't want you and nobody else.
So punch that I don't want you.
Alright.
I'm saying to myself, I don't want you and nobody else. Never put your loving on the shelf.
Alright.
Else. Never put your loving on the shelf.
That's the bar we
That's
recording.
my bad.
So, I don't want you and nobody else. And I would never put your loving on the shelf. To myself, I don't want you and nobody else. And I would never put your loving on the shelf. Cause can't nobody love you like I love you, baby. Cause can't nobody love you like I love you, baby. I don't want you and nobody else. And I would never put your loving on the shelf. Cause can't nobody love you like I love you, baby. I love you, baby.
Change those to 16s real quick.
I love you like I love you, baby. Love you like I love you, baby. So tell me that you love me and you wanna stay. Tell me that you wanna be with me all day. Can't nobody love you like I love you, baby. So tell me that you love me and you wanna stay. Tell me that you wanna be with me all day. That you wanna be with me all day. Cause you know that I want you, hope you feel the same. Tell me that you wanna be with me all day. Cause you know that I want you, hope you feel the same. You know that I want you, hope you feel the same. Ooh, you should let me love you, girl. Over again, I don't wanna know. Ooh, you should let me love you, girl. Over again, cause I don't want no other girl. Again, cause I don't want no other girl.
There you go.
I love you, girl. Over again, no other girl. It's us to the end. If you're the girl, it's us to the end. If you let me know, I'll never let you go. And I see you want, baby, we should.
Alright, Shawson.
Never let you go, and I can see that you would. So maybe you should. Maybe you should. So maybe you should. Maybe you should.
That's pretty much the recording side of things. Man, I thank you guys for sticking around. But if you want to take things a little bit further, you want to learn a little bit more, I'll show you guys how you can take it to the next level. So we're just going to load in our drag and drop mix and master bus and show you guys what you get in our full mix templates.
BBS.
I know I said that I'd be out the game, but here it goes again. And lately I've been seeing all the signs, so I had to make you mine. So I had to take that chance to love you till you die. You got me saying to myself, I don't want you and nobody else. And I would never put your loving on the shelf. Cause can't nobody love you like I love you, baby. So tell me that you love me and you wanna stay. Tell me that you wanna be with me all day. Cause you know that I want you, hope you feel the same.